Drop trenches are the paths available for underground works which connect customer sites and predefined central office locations to the rest of the network through private property. They are similar to street-side trenching in that a single drop trench can contain multiple new drop cables and ducts, and they represent a potential connection to the customer which may be taken, but is not necessarily required to be taken. A site can have both a drop trench and an aerial drop connecting it to the rest of the potential network paths. Comsof Fiber Designer is capable of choosing between them to find the optimal route. However, all customer and central office locations still must be connected with one of these two options, either an aerial or an underground drop. If a site has neither, it will not be provided service. Drop trenches are classified differently from potential trench routes. They have a separate cost to use in the rules. They are stored in a separate layer, and they can only be used in one direction, towards the served site. By default, drop trenches will connect only to potential trench paths, and only to sites within 250 meters of those paths. If the demand point being connected has a street name value entered, Comsof Fiber will attempt to connect it back to a potential trench with that same value, provided one is in range. These settings are configurable in the Input.Properties dialog, which allows for customization of behavior. For example, allowing drop trenches to existing conduits. Two kinds of drop trenches are available: a single trench to each site from a unique point on the trench line, or connecting two sites back to the same point on the trench line in a V. If building footprint polygons have been loaded during initialization, the drop trenches will be routed around them. In general, we recommend you finalize the locations of your demand points, create your drop trenches, and then make manual adjustments to them, connecting sites too far away for automatic generation, and making adjustments to account for real-world construction requirements. This will be the subject of the next video.